Hi, welcome to Selling with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, doing a training session here at Conversica, and we have one of the stars of the show here, Kevin. How you doing?
How's it going?
Yeah, tell us what you do, Kevin.
So I'm a sales manager at Conversica, but I'm also a rep full-time. So really what I'm doing is I'm helping our customers really find their next sales opportunity, leveraging artificial intelligence.
Okay, so we've gone through day one.
Yep.
Can you tell me what a couple of the big takeaways that you found from training?
So I think the 3x3 was a really big piece. Being able, in 3 minutes, being able to find 3 impactful pieces of information that you can use to engage with the prospective client was huge. And then also being able to really identify the key people within my target accounts that I want to go after, and using the appropriate advanced filters to do that, as well as using Boolean logic was huge. And then I think really just making my profile be kind of an inbound channel for people to engage with content that we're sharing, with the different things and thought leadership information that I like to present, and really being an effective channel to bring my prospects in and engage with them.
All right, sounds like you're ready to crush it.
Yeah, definitely.
Looking
forward to day 2, yeah.
All right, well, thanks so much for sharing the story, and good luck today.
Cool, thanks.
All right.